This door is extremely difficult to move and won't roll smoothly, and the reason why may surprise you. Most people would assume by lubricating or changing the rollers you would fix this problem. But there's another part on this door that's the real issue. You can see the customer's done some creative DIY and has replaced most of the moving parts on this garage door. One part they missed though was this front pulley. It's worn and broken and cutting into the track, which is causing a lot of drag. We always recommend changing all the moving parts because this allows them to age together. As part of a complete rebuild, we've replaced this front pulley and now you can see the door runs smoothly in the track.